Hi viewers, Samarnath Smart Steps Trader channel. So today we start with today's money mantra. Success produces success just as money produces money. So it's very much true. So always we have to make money using money by way of investing. So therefore the 4 point come to see. Okay, we will see today currency analysis. First we will see currency spot rate, which is RBI reference rate. According to the RBI reference rate, USDINR 82.73, Yen 56.60. GBP 102 rupees 35 paise and Euro 89 rupees 25 paise. Now we will see currency features and options. First we will start with EURINR. This is for the intraday 5 minutes chart. Previous close is 87, 89, 87 and open is 89.40. So it's very good down now 47 points, 47 paise we can say. And subsequently another 10 paise it has come here. Then the whole day it was travel 20 paise. If you see the low is 35, high is 55, just 20 paise. The whole day it is travel. And if you see for the intradays, there is no NT we can see, because we used to say that after any big gap down or gap up, don't trade for at least 1 hour. So with that sense, if you see the price are hovering over VWAP and it is below somewhere between VWAP and EMA 20 line. So at least 2 line it has to cross to take the position. So with that sense, if you see it has come here, but after taking such a big gap down, so we have to take at least 3 confirmation, mean both VWAP 20 and 50 EMA. So if anybody waited for that, there is no opportunity. Only this is the place you will get the opportunity. That is not a big decisive candle. That too, the time is around close to 3:30, around 3:45. So the rest of the day is just one hour 15 minutes only. So it's better to not take the entry because just 1 hour is there. So to my perspective, this is not the day for intraday. Yes, today the EURINR. So that's how it is open and it moved for the entire day. For the positional traders, 1 hour chart. So if you see the 1 hour chart, it is moving like in the channel only. So most of the time it's moving between this 89, 40 and 90. So that just 60 paise the major of the time it is traveling here. So though it looks breakout, if you see the next day it has again came down very much close to the channel. Again the next day came inside the channel and today as well. So there is no trend confirmation we can say. If you see the indicator also, though it looks a negative DMI is above 35 and positive plus DMI is below 20. So this usually used to say that this is a negative downtrend. But if you see the chart, it is in the sideways only. This domination, this portion is all because of this. But that is again formed within the channel. So it has to break decisively and at least 2 days it has to in the that which direction it is open, it has to close in that direction. In the sense, say suppose this is closed outside the VWAP, outside the channel. So if it is closed again outside it, then we would have said this trend will be in the upper side. But what happened here? It came inside the channel. So at least 2 closing has to happen outside the channel in that same direction. So until then, we cannot see the direction is formed. So this is all about euro. Now we will see what of GBP. See the intraday very much similar to euro. The previous close is 104.93. The open is 104.42. If we say 43, just around exactly 50 paise. It has gap down. Then further this tail is this one. So low is showing here, but the actual low we can say 82.37 only. So from there it is came upper side, but if you see it's like a very good recovery. But if you see the price movement from the bottom 35, if you see here 61, just on 20 paise more, but there is no opportunity to enter in the intraday because it's above VWAP and below the EMA line. So after this huge gap down, and after traveling all this way it has to cut all the three lines. So with that sense here only the chance. So if anybody take entry here, immediately it has come down, another decision can leave. So we have to keep the stop loss here. If happen that, then the closer is almost where we enter, the same place we would have exited here. No loss, no gain. So this is how the GBP intraday. So if you see the positioner, so similar to euro, still it is in the channel only, we can see. Again 104, 105, 20, 1 rupee 20 paise. So every month the average high and low, the monthly how high and low it would be around 3 to 4 paise, but as such it is showing only 1 rupee 20 paise, but we have to see subsequent days. So if again it come to 104, one may take a long entry with the expectation of reaching the channel high. So this is about GPP. Now we will see JPY. Previous close 57.20 and open is 57.11. So around 9 paise gap down, and it's totally traveled in sideways until 11:30. Then again come down from this position 92 to it has some 78. On 15 paise we can say max it is came down. So the entry would be, if intraday, for the intraday is this entry would be, you can say, so both the line crossed here. So somewhere if anybody take the entry here and stop loss is this one, would have make some money. So it is around 56.92, and if you see twice it is touched the bottom, it would be good to exit here with the price action, because day also almost half of the day is gone. So with that sense, if anybody exited here, make it some 12 to 14 paise, that is 140 rupees per lot. You will see the position sheet. 1 hour chart. If you see, it is formed a double bottom and this act as a strong support. And this is the zone we can see. It has traveled most of the time here. So if another closer would be above this, we would have said the trend is formed. But if you see here, it is come within the channel. So now still it is in the sideways only, it not in any direction, it's not trended. So we have to wait and see. Now we will look at the USDINR. Previous close 82.77, open is 75. So just 2 pieces it has come down, and the same candle it has again reached in the higher side, and see how far it is. It is 82.84. The low is 73, exactly here. So here to here it is just not even uh, just 12 paise. If you just see the chart, it looks like a very good volatility, but what happened just within 12 paise, the whole day it has gone up. So average it will be at least 20 paise, but it's very just on 12 paise only moment. But end close to close paise just 1 paise, the negative side it is close. You will see the positional trading. So it is in the channel. just in 20 paisa it is moving. Most of the time it is moving in the 80 to 70, 80 to 90. So it has to break decisively either side. Now we will look at option chain. So 8th is the weekly expiry. Today the RBI reference rate is 80 to 74. So according to RBI reference rate, this is the place now. So here it is closing. If you see the maximum call option 83 and 82.75. So, and if you see the put option 82.75 and 82.50. So it's somewhere it close around this in the expiry as such. So another 3 trading days are there. This may be changed, but as on today, somewhere around 80 to 75 it will close, either in the downside around 510 paise or in the upper side 510 paise max. Now we will see the boss of the currency, US dollar. So the US dollar is now in the side. So now it looks like directionless because both the EMA is above 20, and if you see the weekly chart, first candle now it's just form. If you see the previous week, it was in the downside very well and came down again. It pulled back. I mean the bull take the control. So this is the place. This down and this up. So now this is the one it's formed here. So if subsequent days, if it go opposite, this is the resistance in the weekly basis. Hence it will come to the channel. So this is about USD, US dollar index. Okay. So with this, wind up this video. So this video is for educational purpose. Don't take any trading or investment decision based on this. Always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision with the guidance of your SEBI registered advisor. See you next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you. Please do subscribe and like.